Hi friends, let me show you this new ceiling fan that I received for reviewing purposes. It's only a fan, it has no light, but it's great for large rooms. You get all the accessories. This is the circle that goes to the ceiling. These are parts of the fan system. This is the box that goes to the ceiling and gets the remote part here, the remote control. You get everything you need to install it. This is a remote control, and this is the remote unit that goes inside of the ceiling fixture. And these are the fan blades. As you can see, they are beautifully wood finished. It is a really nice color, nice finish, like wood. There are 3 blades, okay? Let's install it. So now the installation is ready. You can see how beautiful it is. Wood finish in all the blades. And you get this remote, so you can turn it on and off. You could even install an extra light unit. You have the cables and the remote control for it. It has no light right now. You can set it to work automatically for 1, 4, or 8 hours. And you can hit this button so all the remote won't sound like this. See, it's going to work. Level 1, you get 6 different speed levels, and you can change the direction with this button in the middle. So you can use it for winter weather, getting air up, and for summer hot weather, getting the air down, okay? So it's a really nice fan, a beautiful wood finish, and so easy to use with the remote. For any room, for any space that you need, this is a beautiful addition. Thank you.